The perfect pet.
Daddy brought me to the pet store. He said I could buy a pet, but the pet store has so many, I don't know what to get. I looked at a hamster in a cage, running round and round on a wheel. I thought he would make a nice little pet, until I heard him squeal.
A rabbit is nice and quiet, and its fur is soft and white.
The rabbit looked right at me, but he hopped away in fright.
I know what you might like. He eats a lot, of course.
I giggled when I saw him. My room won't hold a horse. Look, Dad, I found it. Now he's the perfect pet. He's cute, he's soft, he's cuddly. He's the one I want to get.